Right-click on Start, and open System. Check your RAM size that installed on your system. Open Advanced System Settings. Under Advanced tab, click on Settings button present in Performance session. Open Advanced tab and click on Change button under Virtual Memory session. Deselect the option called Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Click on Custom Size option. Open Calculator app to calculate the initial and maximum size for the paging file. Enter your RAM size and multiply with 1024. For example, my system has 4 GB of RAM, so 4 into 1024. And again multiply the total MB value with 1.5 because the maximum virtual RAM paging file is 1.5 times more than physical RAM. Enter the final result value in initial and maximum size boxes. And click OK. The system now asks to restart. Click OK. Done. Now system doubles RAM size and capable to run high-end games and softwares without lag or stuck. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe.